Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna dip for crackers. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick snack or party appetizer. You will need 2 cans of tuna, thoroughly drained, and about 1/4 cup of creamy mayonnaise. Also, prepare 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery and 2 tablespoons of minced red onion. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, plus salt and black pepper for seasoning. These ingredients come together beautifully for a delicious dip. Now let's get mixing. First, take your 2 cans of well-drained tuna and flake them into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Next, add the 1/4 cup of mayonnaise directly to the tuna. Then, incorporate the 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery and the 2 tablespoons of minced red onion. Finally, pour in the 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Gently stir all these ingredients together until they are thoroughly combined and creamy. Once everything is mixed, it's time to perfect the flavor. Start by adding a pinch of salt and a few grinds of fresh black pepper to your tuna dip. Give it a good stir, then taste a small spoonful. Adjust the salt and pepper as necessary to suit your preference. For an extra layer of flavor, you might consider a dash of your favorite hot sauce or a sprinkle of fresh herbs like dill or parsley. This step ensures your dip is perfectly seasoned. Your delicious tuna dip is now ready to be served. Carefully transfer the finished dip into a nice serving bowl. For a touch of visual appeal, you can garnish it with a light sprinkle of paprika or some fresh chopped parsley. This dip pairs wonderfully with a variety of crackers, from buttery to whole grain. For optimal flavor, chilling the dip for at least 30 minutes allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Enjoy your homemade tuna dip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.